The freedom to see how beautiful life is. To see our dreams, our loved ones, the moments that matter. Every pair of eyes holds a world of hopes. Years of experience, advanced technology, care with precision, helping every generation see what tomorrow holds. A brighter India, a future worth looking forward to.
Seeing a brighter future for India together. Happy Independence Day.
बेहतर भारत के सपने हमेशा जीवित रखें. હેપી ઇન્ડિપેન્ડન્સ ડે.
સ્વતંત્ર ભારતના માટે આજે તમને હું બધાને અભિનંદન આપું છું.
Happy Independence Day from Okura Eye Care Hospital.
Happy Independence Day.
Jai Hind.
Here's to the freedom of seeing it all. Happy Independence Day, Okura Eye Care family.